Hello and welcome to Coron. This municipality is famous for its beautiful beaches, stunning islands and crystal clear waters to dive and snorkel in. We decided that a one-day boat excursion around the area was a must, so join us as we embark on a day in paradise where we choose what we would do. So, how can you do this too? Let's find out. Hello everyone, good morning from Coron. We are here north of Palawan and we are doing an island hopping tour today. So yesterday we went to the port, which is just here, found a guy who has a boat and we're paying 3,500 pesos to rent his boat for the day. That doesn't include food and that doesn't include environmental fees of the places we're going, but 3,500 is a pretty good price. We've got 6 of us. And yeah, it's going to be a very fun day. I'm looking forward to it. Did forget to bring my GoPro batteries though, so I've got like 20% battery in my GoPro. So I'll save that for when we're in the islands, when we're snorkeling. But first stop is the market. So we're going to go here, get our lunch for the day, and yeah, let's see what they have to offer. Pig's heads apparently. Jeez. Wow. At the market, you can buy fresh fish, fresh meat and fresh vegetables, all of which for an affordable price. We had 6 of us, so we needed to make sure that we had enough food for a hearty lunch. We secured some fish, some fruit, some veg and some rice, which came out to around 250 pesos each when we split it. Now it was time to head towards the boat and decide what we wanted to do for the day. Let's get an approval from the Coast Guard to say that we can leave. Easy. Let's get on the boat. Yeah, right here, this is our boat. The Errol John. Very nice. Thank you. All good, thanks. Alright, here's the options for the private tour. We've decided to go for Kayangan Lake. Don't know if I'm saying that right. Twin Lagoon, Skeleton Wreck, Coral Garden, and then we're having lunch on Dimanglet Beach. So you can see there's other options too. Go to different islands, go to different shipwrecks. Cost us 950 each for entrance fees. Alright, so we're on the boat with other people from our hostel. So we've got me, Danny,
Tash, Marina, Soraya, Anna.
There we are. Welcome to our friends. Should be fun. Woo! Let's go. First stop is Twin Lagoon. We're in our life jackets here, and yeah, it looks incredible. The rock formations are ridiculous. I mean, look at how beautiful this is. Ready? I'm going to show you the lagoon now. Let's go there. Alright, so this is called Twin Lagoon because this is the first lagoon here where the boats are, and then there's a tunnel going through there where you can reach the second lagoon. It's low tide right now, so it's pretty shallow, but apparently if it's high tide there is a ladder down there.
Well, low tide I think you can just swim straight through it.
Yeah, so we're gonna go and have a swim. Twin Lagoon is one of the most popular spots on Coron Island, but when we arrived it was pretty quiet. It was compulsory to wear life jackets here, and if I'm honest, I don't think mine was the right size. It didn't matter that I looked stupid though, as the scenery around us was breathtaking. The limestone cliffs looked surreal, and it was a unique feeling to be in a lagoon where fresh underground water meets seawater. The passageway between the lagoons was also fun, but be warned, it can only be swam through during low tide. We were having a lot of fun, and after half an hour or so, it became noticeably busier. As we made our way back to our boat, we had to navigate our way back past the boats and hordes of tourists. This was an incredible spot though, and I'd recommend that you choose it. But if you do, make sure that you get there as early as possible. Alright, that was Twin Lagoon back there. That was really nice, to be fair. We got there just in time before it got too busy. Next stop is over here. You can see everyone swimming. Everyone's over down there. We're going to go into the Skeleton Wreck, which is a shipwreck in, well, right there. And this is where my GoPro ran out of battery. Seeing a turtle was the highlight of Skeleton Wreck, but now it was time to head to Dimanglet beach for lunch. As we approached the beach, our captain turned chef had already started grilling up the fish. It seemed like we'd have the place to ourselves, and everywhere you looked, the views were straight from a postcard.
Hi.
Hello, lovely.
Oh. Hey, baby.
Wow, check it out. Yum. No wonder you've turned up. I know your game. Here we are. Everything's come out now. It's going to be a good lunch. Oh, it's a windy day here. Give the fish a try. Fresh?
So fresh.
Yum.
Caught it last night, I think.
Who's this?
Bobby.
No, Dobby. Hey, Dobby. Oh, really cute. Alright, it's a bit windy actually. See out there, waves are really choppy. And we have about 1 hour until we're going to be on the move again, so time to have a lie down on this beautiful white sand beach and chill, digest our lunch. Lovely little spot, isn't it?
And it's like no one here.
No one here. Look at the sand, beautiful. Alright, time to chill. Well, time goes quickly when you're lying around. Time to get back on the boat. On to the next place. The next stop on our tour was Coral Garden, which lived up to the name. The visibility in the water here was incredible, but unfortunately I wasn't able to capture any of it underwater for you. Instead, I have gone to the trouble of creating a dramatic reenactment of our snorkel so that you can get a feeling of what we saw.
You have a drunk Bailey's from a shoe?
I hope you enjoyed that. This was the last snorkel spot for the day, and it was one that I'd recommend once again. We only had a couple of hours left on the tour, which meant that we had to speed towards our last stop back on Coron Island, Kayangan Lake. Alright, this place is so busy, we have to dock onto another boat. Oh yeah, thank you. We go through this to get onto the land. Yeah, unexpected boat tour. You can tell we have to bring our life jackets with us for this one. See, you got little shops there. Get some drinks, get some snacks. Might do that after. I'm sure you can get some beer as well. There we are, cold beer. That's what we like to see. See, there's the mountain steps. Empty bottles bring them back.
Maximum time.
Maximum time, 40 minutes in the lake. Cool. All right, so you've got to make the most of your time while here. I'm sure we'll be very efficient. Whew. All right, here we are, everyone. Kayangan Lake. Wow, it's busy. It's beautiful. Stay at that. Yeah, let's go around on the boardwalk. All right, Tash's going in. Go on. Whee! Can you tell she's Australian? Fresh and salty. Oh. Get your life jacket on before you drown. There we are. If you look down that way, there are lifeguards in that little hut down the end. Alright, I'm heading in as well, so see you on the other side. Alright, in the shop now, cold beer. I bought these two San Miguel lights. 80 pesos each, so 160 for two. Not bad. Cheers everyone.
What a good day.
It was a very good day. There we are. All boat tours need to be back at the port in Coron before 5 PM, so it was time to leave. We enjoyed the boat ride for the last time, and before we knew it, we were back on dry land.
Perfect.
Thank you, Ro.
Thank
you. Have a nice day. Boat tour in Coron.
Everyone has everything.
Coron Island, done. That was magnificent.
Woo. Whoa.
Oh,
This looks a bit different.
There we are, that's the Coron boat tour. I got my GoPro battery from a room, so now we have the GoPro back. But yeah, how'd you find it?
It was awesome, yeah. I think it was like just enough activity for the day.
Yeah, we got back around 4:30. I had half an hour until the deadline of 5 PM, and honestly, it was nice to chill. It was nice to sit around for that hour on the beach. We weren't rushing any place whatsoever. It was.
I'm like, well, we're still knackered, so I feel like I just can't imagine doing the ultimate tour.
Yeah. So for those who don't know, the public tours they offer, there's one called the Ultimate Tour, and I think it genuinely ticks off about 7 stops.
Yeah.
7 or 8 stops.
Anyway, I reckon whatever option you do, it's awesome. If you're a super active, go kind of person, the Ultimate Tour would be brilliant.
Yeah. If you want to be your own boss though and choose where you want to go, do your research beforehand. Private tour is the way to go.
Whatever you do, it's stunning.
Yeah, definitely. The boat in total cost 3,500 pesos, so that was 584 each.
6 of us.
For 6 of us. On top of that, we paid 950 for the entrance fees, and then on top of that, we paid 200 to 300 for food.
Yeah, probably like 2 to 250 each for food in the market.
That makes it around 1,734, 1,800-ish, which is, I think, very good value. Considering the public tour is about 1,700 to, sometimes you get a bit lower if you get a discount, as they say.
I'd say it depends which way you look at it. You could pay the same amount and see more, but it's not going to be private and it's going to be rushed. So
also the public tour benefit is you do get to meet people as well. But we met people in our hostel and I'm very happy with our day.
Yeah, nice little group.
Yeah, it was great. Anyway, that was that. We had a great time.
Yeah.
If you're in Coron, get on the island hopping tours.
If you think that you're spending too much already on a tour, like on the multi-day one, I still reckon it's worth it. Spend that extra, like almost 2,000. It's worth it.
It is definitely worth it, and it's completely different to the islands hopping that you're going to be doing on your way over to El Nido.
We think.
There we go. All right, and there we are. That's it. Coron finished.